Nameservers host information for your domain, like its DNS records, which point domains to websites. When you buy a domain from Squarespace, it will come with the default nameservers already set up to direct users to your site. If necessary, you can change your nameservers. This is an advanced modification that'll affect where your domain points. To get started, navigate to your domain's dashboard, click the domain you'd like to edit, click DNS, and then click Domain Name Servers. To use custom name servers, or add more, click Use Custom Name Servers. In the pop-up, enter your custom name server values, and then click Save. Keep in mind that if you use custom name servers, you'll need to manage your DNS records and other domain settings with the name server provider. If you use this setup, our team's support will be limited. If you need to restore the default Squarespace name servers, click Use Squarespace Name Servers. Please know that any changes made to your name servers could take up to 48 hours to take effect. Please let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.